4. Today we'll start with the next chapter, gender. Okay, page number 13, grammar book. Masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. Feminine means female, masculine means male. Okay, as you know, we can classify nouns that refers to people or animals as masculine male or feminine female. Boy, lion, hero, we call these masculine nouns. They belongs to the masculine gender. Girl, lioness, heroine, we call these feminine nouns. They belongs to feminine gender. Okay, match the gender in pairs. Man, women, lord, lady, nephew, niece, husband, wife, sir, madam, duke, duchess. Okay, do it in your book and put the date today, 30th June. Put a date today, 30th June. Write the masculine gender for these nouns. Grandmother, grandfather, landlady, landman, milkmaid, milkman, granddaughter, grandson, peahen, peacock, headmistress and headmaster. Okay, do it in your book. Common and neutral genders. They are certain nouns that we can use for both male or female. They belongs to common gender. Common gender कौन से होते हैं जिसमें मेल और फीमेल दोनों के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है. जैसे पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स मेल और फीमेल दोनों हो सकते हैं. चाइल्ड मेल और फीमेल दोनों हो सकते हैं. प्यूपिल, लोग मेल और फीमेल दोनों हो सकते हैं. नेबर, पड़ोसी, मेल और फीमेल दोनों हो सकता है. स्टूडेंट, बेबी, ऑल दीज आर कॉमन नाउन्स. Non-living things are said to be belongs to neutral gender. They are neither male or they are neither female. Book, table, desk, river, city, tree, they are not male, they are not female, they are neutral gender. Okay, pronouns usage. The pronouns he and him are masculine while she or her are feminine. The pronouns I, you, we, me, us can either be masculine or feminine. I, you, we, me, us या तो वो masculine हो जाएंगे या फिर feminine हो जाएंगे. The pronouns they and them can be any gender, masculine and feminine or neutral. The pronoun, it is always the neutral gender because it mostly refers to the things or something to animals. Pronouns जो हैं वो always ज़्यादातर neutral gender होते हैं क्योंकि वो ज़्यादातर या तो things होते हैं, चीज़ें होते हैं या फिर animals होते हैं और इन दोनों को neutral gender में ही categorize किया गया है. When we talk about animals, we can either use the neutral gender or the masculine or feminine, depending on whether the animal is male or female. Look at the horse. It is running very fast. I have a pet cat. She loves to climb tree. यहाँ पे it आया है animal के लिए, यहाँ पे she आया है animal के लिए. तो you can use both. Changing genders. We add ess to some masculine nouns to form feminine gender. Host, hostess, lion, lioness, god, goddess, duke, duchess. हम बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड हैं जिसमें हम ess यूज़ करते हैं मेल को फीमेल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. Complete these sentences with opposite gender of the highlighted nouns. There are more girls than boys. हमें इसके opposite लिखने हैं. Boys in my class. The tiger and the tigress rested under the tree after their meal. My uncle and aunt are visiting us next week. The hero had acted in several films before this, but the heroine was fairly new to the industry. In their Gir forest, we saw many lions, but not a single lioness. Everybody said that the bride and the groom were a well-matched couple. My father works in Mumbai and my mother, I lived in Delhi. The landlord and the landlady lives on the first floor with their 2 children and a son and a daughter. Change the gender of the highlighted nouns and rewrite these sentences. The men worked in the fields from morning to the night. The men worked in the fields from morning to the night. Men का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Women. The women worked in the field from morning to the night. The waiter welcomed us into the restaurant. The waitress welcomed us into the restaurant. My nephew works in a bank in Kolkata. My niece. Author, authoress, sister, brother, goose, geese, wife, husband. Like this you have to convert the opposites. Complete these sentences with the correct pronouns from the box. The girl ran to catch the bus. She was late for school. Peter is very good at table tennis. I can't beat him. The cat is hungry. She needs food. I wrote to my uncle and aunt to thank them for lovely present. We are going to the mall, Kiran. Would you like to come with us? These people are going to Indore. These people मतलब बहुत सारे लोग जा रहे हैं तो they use होगा. They have been waiting on the platform for a long time. Can you see that tall man in the shop? क्या आपने वो लंबा आदमी शॉप में देखा? He क्यों? क्योंकि man है यहाँ पे, इसलिए उसके लिए हम he use करेंगे. He is our neighbor. Identify the gender of the highlighted noun pronoun in this story. Write M for masculine, F for feminine, C for common and N for neutral. A man, masculine, and his son went to the town to buy a bicycle. Bicycle is neutral. They went into a shop common, but the shopkeeper common noun है. Shop will be neutral. Shopkeeper will be common noun, was not there. So they sat in the corner and waited. As they were waiting, another person could be another person, common noun, came in and sat down one on the chairs. Chairs are neutral. Soon a young girl wearing a yellow dress came into the shop and asked the man and her father son what they wanted. They means neutral. Common, sorry. She, feminine, told them she was a shopkeeper's daughter. Feminine. Man spoke to the girl and told her. Feminine. Then he wanted to buy a bicycle. The girl told him, masculine, that they were not bicycle. They, common, were at all different prices. The man and his son looked at him, some of them, common, and then selected a shiny red bicycle. The girl told them, common, its price, and they bought it. Neutral. अब आपका काम ये है कि आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है masculine, feminine, neutral, common. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day everyone.